Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to remove or disable ad block from OperaGX in 2025. So whether you want full control and fewer toolbar buttons or let the ads through on the trusted websites, this tutorial is for you. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here you will have to click on this puzzle type of icon in the left hand section. This will redirect you here in your extensions section. You can also type this particular command in the search bar, that is opera // extensions. This will also going to redirect you here on this extensions page, where you are going to see all of the plugins that are available here. Now among the extensions, you need to simply just take a look at some of the extensions with the name like Ad Blocker or Adblock Plus or AdGuard if you have installed it. As you can see over here in my device, the Opera Ad Blocker is installed. So here, if you are unsure which one is active, you can check the extensions with the ad related icons or the name. So to temporarily stop using ad block, you can simply just turn this toggle button off and you can switch next to extensions name. And in order to remove it completely, you are going to see a remove button over here. These two extensions are pre-built with OperaGX, so these cannot be removed. But if you add any other extensions, you will find a remove button over here. So you can click on the remove button and you can click on the remove button again in order to remove it successfully. Now once this step is done, you need to close your OperaGX web browser and reopen it to ensure that the changes takes effect. So this is how you can remove or disable ad blocks in OperaGX in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.